So welcome back students. So today we are going to move ahead with the syllabus for the IT, that is the code 402. And last time we had learned about all the page breaks, the page layouts. So today we are going to start with the new topic, and that is how to create and modify the charts in Excel. So basically, before we start, children, we need to understand what exactly is a chart. So this is the page, that is page 168, and a chart is a graphical representation of data. So I'll just read out it, in which the data is represented by symbols such as bars in a bar chart, lines in a line chart, or slices in a pie chart. A chart can represent tabular numeric data, functions, or some kinds of qualitative structures. Okay, so a spreadsheet enables you to create, modify, format charts based on the data given in the spreadsheet. In this exercise, you will learn how to create, modify, format charts using the spreadsheet. Now, children, chart is basically a graphical representation of the data. And why it is important is because when we show some kind of data, like this is the data that I'm showing to the audience in a way. Okay. So when we show some kind of data or this kind of data to the audience or to anybody who you want to um, you know you want to represent, or you're giving some kind of presentation. So in that case, if you represent your data in this form, so the viewers or the person who is watching it, he has to carefully go through the numbers just to understand what the data or what exactly it is saying, right? What the data is all about. But the same thing, if you represent in a graphical form like this one, so this will very quickly give the viewers an idea that what exactly is going high or what is going low. So this will easily make the audience, the picture will be very much clear to the person who is watching it. Okay, and that is the reason why we require charts, and that is why we always have graphical representation of the data, so that it is easily been understood by the audience. So to understand this is the example that they have given. So let us just quickly type in the data that is shown over here, and then let us just generate the charts. So I will just quickly go over here. So let me just minimize this a bit, and keep it over here. Let's see if it comes anyway. So it's over here. So the that is the name, and then we have the months, that is from January, February, March, April, May, and June. So let me just type in fast. So the first is name, and then and April. Okay, so we have April, March, then we have April, May, and June. And then let us quickly, we will type the names, that is house rent, electricity bill. So house rent and electricity bill. And then we have is grocery expenses. The grocery expenses, and then we have traveling expenses. And then we have a phone bill. So phone slash mobile bill. And then we have this expenses, that is 2500. So I'll give some numbers now as my own numbers. 2500, then that was what, 2500, then was 2550, and then we have the same. So let me just copy this and paste this. And then we have 3000 and 3500 and 3600. And then we have 700, 750, 700, then we have 750, then we have 800. So these are just a random numbers, just an example. And we have 625. So if you have the computers, children, you can do it along with me if you want. And we have 950, and then we have 500, 600, and then we have the data, that is 400, then we have 500 and 350 and 600, then we have 800 and 680 is the final number. So this is the data. Let me just give some colors to this. That is this one. Okay, so that is the color, and it did not change. Just a minute. Okay, and to this I can give a different color, just to how to set up things. So this is the design, and just go to, that is this one, and all borders. So let us give some borders as well. So this is how we have designed it now, and now we have to generate a chart of this. So as what they have given in the book, you need to click on the chart types that you want from the charts group under the insert tab. Now that's the first option. So you have to click on the, okay, that is the charts group under the insert tab, right? So let us go to insert. So first thing is, okay, just select the entire table, the entire data, click on insert, and then we have the option that is charts, and that you will find it over here. So that's the chart group that we have it over here, right? And you can see already it is showing many charts. So you have click over here, and this is a 2D chart. So if I click, and you can immediately see that we have the result that is displayed below. So quickly just click over there, and this is the data that we have, right? This is the chart, the data in form of a chart, isn't it, children? So let me just make it a bit bigger. Okay, so this is a chart, and now you can easily see the comparisons that we have. That is house. So you know, now looking at this house rent, that was higher in the month of May and June, most or in the month of June. And electricity bill, now electricity bill, you can easily figure out that over here it is going a bit high, isn't it? And then the phone bills as well, that is in blue. So you can see that these are actually called as legends out here. Okay, these are called as legends. So which kind of shows that this blue, light blue or sky blue color is house rent, and the orange one is the electricity bill, and the gray one is the grocery expenses. So grocery expenses, you can easily make out that in the month of May there was more expenses for the grocery. And then the yellow one is for the traveling expenses and the phone bills. So these are these particular things which shows the what exactly this color, this bar means. These are called as legends out here, and this is the title of the chart. Okay, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Okay, x-axis has the name, that is January, February. So these are actually plotting points actually, but now over here the x-axis is actually the name of the months, and these are the y-axis. So y-axis is automatically taken from 0 to 4000 because the max value, that is okay, so the max value that is going is around, you know, uh, around 3600. So it has taken the range of 0 to 4000. This is automatically calculated. Okay, so these are the main points of the chart, and as what they have given in the book, children, let us go through the book. So we can have different charts over here. They have shown a different kind of chart. So let me just switch, and you can see that once you click on the chart, we have different, you know, you can change the colors and different layouts. You can see this is another layout that you can have, and it is straight away showing the bars and actually the numbers. So there is x-axis is they are not shown the range of 0 to 4000, but this is a, I think this is a much better way to display the chart, and this also shows the bar as well as that number. So you can see that but then we, okay, legends are over here, right? So this is a much better chart, I would say. So grocery expenses, as what you have shown in the month of May, was 1500 as compared to any other month. This was 1250, this was 850, 950, 1200 and 1000. So you can easily figure out that the grocery expenses for the month of May was more. And for the mobile bills, you can see for the mobile bills, maybe probably you can come down over here easily, and it makes out that is 800, which is more in the month of May. So you know, so easily the message is getting conveyed, the exact figures are getting conveyed to the audience. So let us move what exactly they have shown in the book. Okay, this is a different kind of chart. So we can have different layouts, children. Okay, and if I really want to, okay, go to insert and go for some another layouts like a 3D one, and it will display the 3D data. And this is another way. So there are different types of charts. You can just, you know, go through this, the different layouts that we have. And then in design mode you can go and change. Let us take this simple one, like this one. So this is a much better chart, I would say. So what they have given in the book is the entire layout, that is number one, number two. This is like to just to know. So what is that entire area? That entire area is called as the chart area. Okay, so exam point of view, this is important. So this is the chart area number one, that is called as the chart area. What is the chart area? That is this entire layout from right from here, right? These are all the entire chart area. Then we have the plot area. What exactly is the plot area? Number two. So we can see this is the plot area where the actual chart is getting plotted. The plotting is done, and then we have the data points that are plotted in the chart. So what is number three? You can see these are the data points. So using this only we can make out that what is the exact expenses, what as what the example that we have taken. So these are the data points, right? Exact numbers that they have showing, and the bars. So that was the data points and the horizontal and vertical axis in the chart. So what is the horizontal and vertical axis? Number 4. See, so that is the horizontal and vertical axis, the x-axis and the y-axis. And then we have the legends. I told you what exactly is a legend. So this particular part is a legend out here, as what the example that taken, and over here these are the legends over here, right? And then we have the chart and the axis title used in the chart. So this is the title, and the axis titles is this one, children. Actually the titles that are used for the x-axis. Okay, so chart title is this one. This is the expenses, and over here this is the chart title. We can change the title, right? We can do it. So type in some other, like expenses per month. So we can change the title of the chart. And then we have the data labels for identifying details of the data points. So that's number 7. So number 7, they have said, okay, this is the Excel chart. This is 6, they have given. Number 7 they lost. Okay, so data labels are actually giving the labels to the data points. So in this case, this labels, like January, February, March, April, so these will be called as the labels that we are giving to the x-axis. Otherwise, even this can be, the x-axis also can have numbers basically. So that is all about the data labels for identifying details of data points in the chart. Okay, so then we will move on to, once you insert a chart in the spreadsheet, 3 additional tabs are available on the ribbon, that is design, layout and format. So you can edit the chart in the design, layout and formatting options using the 3 tabs that are available. So basically, if you see, you can go to the design, and just now I just changed that layout, isn't it? Even if you go to format, design, so basically we are supposed to go to design, where we can change the layout. And if I just press del key, so if you want to delete it, you can press the del key, the delete key, and the chart will be deleted. So again, if you really want to go back, and then we can have some other kind of charts. So you can just try to go through all the charts and how does it look like. So this is another kind of chart. So let me just delete this also. And there is even these are the charts, children, the different kinds of charts that we have. Okay, so this is the thing, and design, layout and format, and then the chart types. Now the chart that we had learned, children, that was the horizontal bar. Okay, the horizontal bar emphasizes the comparison between items at a fixed period of time. So a horizontal bar basically was the chart that we had taken the example, that was actually the column chart. So this is a column chart that is in front of you. Okay, this is a column chart. So why this is a column chart is because column chart, unlike a bar chart, it is as same as the bar chart, to which it is often compared emphasis variation over a period of time. This type of chart includes cylinder, cone and pyramid subtypes. Okay, so this was horizontal bar, and this will have the vertical bar. So you can see these are like vertical bars. And similarly, go to insert, and you can see this is a 2D bar, and you can see this is 2D column bar, right? So that was a column chart, and now if you click over here, this is the same thing is into horizontal way. So this is a bar chart. Okay, and the first one that we saw was the column chart. So column chart is as equal as the bar chart, it is into vertical fashion, and this is in horizontal way. Okay, it's the same thing, but I think the column chart looks much better, and it is very easy to understand as compared to this bar chart. So that's the same thing. And then we have other charts which we are going to go through in detail. So bar chart, column chart, already we have gone through it. Then we have line chart, pie chart, the area chart, and XY, that is a scatter chart. Okay. So children, this is what we have just introduced ourselves to the charts. So today we have just got introduced and we have just figured out what exactly is a bar chart and a column chart. Okay, then on Monday, then we are going to understand in detail about the line chart, pie chart, the area charts, and the XY, that is a scatter charts. Okay, so I hope your exams were good, and so this is also actually, the subject itself is quite easy, children. So there is no doubt that everybody will score pretty nicely in your board exams as well. Okay, so syllabus is not an issue. Since the syllabus is also not huge, we are going to complete the syllabus way before time. Okay, so that is absolutely not an issue. So that's it for today, children. On Monday we will meet and then we will go through the line chart, pie chart, area chart, and XY that charts. Okay, so that's it. Bye for now.